Hi guys, this is Stephen again. Just here to have a chat about the final composition for 2D. So this is my composition for the two-dimensional story, showing Indigenous knowledge and respect. Um, it's the same story that I've been telling over and over again, which is quite interesting. And once again, I've just changed the way it's represented. Um, Hopefully everyone knows the story. It's basically that I went on a holiday with my family up to the coast to a place that we'd been previously, and a whole bunch of other events that happened there, and we'll describe those as we go through. But this area down here represents my workaday life, and I've tried to use symmetry to represent the fact that we have a fairly structured life. I'm having a little baby. Well, I call her a baby. She's 2, so she's not really a baby anymore. But it means that we have to have a fairly structured way of doing things. So there's a whole bunch of different visits to the shops and to, swimming lessons and that sort of stuff. Anyway, as we move up here, previously this has been represented by, I guess, a road. And you probably can't see it, and I don't think this camera will get there, but there is actually a dotted line up here, and so the trunk of this tree actually represents the road. And as we move further up towards the beach, what we have is, I guess, the roads turn into dirt roads, and then eventually, if you can see the transition in colour, the roads turn into beach, and then ultimately they turn into water. Now, you can see that the tree actually branches here, and off on the left, sorry, that's my wife just telling me that she's going to be late home. Off on the left here, what we have is the memories of the past, basically, and what you can see here is this big circle. And at this particular beach that we went to, I proposed to my wife quite a while ago, and I guess that's what this circle here represents. It's really the memories of that time, and you can see that the branches or the paths, and I guess this is what the tree represents. All the twigs and the paths are things that I remember really well, and then I guess there's a whole range of other things around the beach, and that particular trip that I don't remember that well. So there's a lot of memories at this beach, and I guess the left-hand side of this picture represents my past memories. If we go over to our right-hand side here, what we're seeing here is my current memories of the beach, or the most recent memories of the beach. And I guess it's interesting because, well, I think it's interesting, but we've got a lot more meandering here, and that's because we took my daughter with us, and she wandered around the beach, and she looked at things that we'd looked at previously, and there's a whole range of possibilities for her. I guess for me, one of the things that I've tried to do here is show that the memories of my past are bounded by a frame, but I guess the memories that she can construct and potentially her future is a lot more free, and it can break out of the frame, and hopefully her memories will be stronger and more flexible, I guess, as time goes on, and hopefully she'll remember as much as I do about this particular instance as she gets older. So that's basically it. Once again, it doesn't really look like a trip to the beach, but I guess that's one of the interesting things. It's something that we've shared together now. It's a bit of an encoding of my feelings around that particular location, that place, and also, I guess, some understanding of how much it actually means to me. So anyway, guys, I hope that's been interesting for you, and we'll catch up again soon, hopefully. Bye.